All right, so today we made it up to the Polly Cove Trail on Prospect Road. It's not a marked trail, but if you're head towards Peggy's Cove, it's about 2 kilometers down that road. The only marking is this one little blue sign, 7216, and there's just this gravel parking lot. So anyways, we'll hit the trail and see how it is. So we made it up by the water and we came across this concrete structure. I have no idea what it's for, and there's like pieces of metal stuck in rocks. There's holes drilled into rocks. No idea what this is for. They put a lot of work into it. It's quite large. Never finished, it looks like. The rebar is still jammed out of the top of the concrete. And it's weird because they just put the concrete walls right on these rocks. It's so strange. If anybody knows what this is, leave a comment below, and yeah, I'd love to know what this is. It's quite interesting. Anyways, we'll carry on and see what else is on this trail. All right, so we're making our way over to Pollys Cove, and it is a bit rougher through here for sure. It's a beaten path. Coming in was pretty easy. It was all like a sand gravel, just with a few stones in the way, but now it's quite narrow. So you definitely want to have some good footwear and whatnot coming through here. Yeah, so it does get a bit rough in places with these roots, but not too bad if you have proper footwear. So we're getting closer to the water. We're almost there. It's definitely not marked, and there's trails that lead all over the place, which actually kind of makes it a little more fun exploring. So we'll try to get down. I don't even know if you can get to the water, but we will figure it out. We're so close now. Whoa. It's a little slick. This stuff is quite loose, so you lose your footing pretty easy. Okay, so we made it down to Polly's Cove. I'm gonna turn this around so you can have a look. Pretty cool, beautiful spot. Not gonna go down any further because those rocks look very slippery, so I'll stay away from that. But yeah, what a beautiful place. And it's not overly hard to get down here, really, if you take your time. All right, so here's another perspective. I believe this is Polly's Cove. And then you got these rocky islands, beautiful. Unfortunately, it's a bit windy today, so I don't think I can get the drone up. I might try inland a little bit more. Definitely not here on the coast. So look at this stunning view up here. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. You can't beat this. Well, I suppose it could be warmer. but it's not too bad. It's about 10 degrees Celsius, and we're at November 30th today, so that's pretty good. A little windy along the coast, but anyways, definitely worthwhile coming to check out, and it's only 2 kilometers down the road from Peggy's Cove, so there's no reason not to come check this place out. And it's amazing, these boulders, they're just like dropped out of the sky, although it was the glaciers in the last ice age carved out this whole area. But phenomenal place. I can only imagine in the summer it's must be really nice, although I have a feeling there may be a lot of bugs out here, but that's no reason to stop you. So I just stopped on top of this big rock, and if you look straight ahead, it just flashed actually, that's the Peggy's Cove Lighthouse, just to put it in perspective of where we're at. So close. You can actually see the waves from here crashing. There goes the light again. I don't know if this is going to show up on the GoPro, but it is definitely down there. So I usually make videos outside of the Halifax area. I usually travel around the Maritimes, and once COVID's over, I'll be traveling the rest of Canada. And next year, if all goes well, I'll be in Spain, planning on going to Benidorm, Spain, and Malaga, Spain. So those videos should be fantastic as long as COVID's out of here. So anyways, the reason why we're at Polly Cove Trail today is because the new public health orders, because of COVID, they don't want us leaving the city and then spreading COVID around throughout our rural areas of the province. So basically all non-essential travel is restricted outside of HRM. But because HRM's so big and we have so many amazing trails and parks, there's lots to do here still, being in the city. And there's literally, I think we ran into like 5 people this afternoon. That's it. So definitely come check out Polly Cove Trail, just on the Prospect Road down from Peggy's Cove. And thanks for watching.
It got me stone cold.